Unlock the secret to a glowing, age-defying complexion without spending a fortune on skincare products. The truth is, the path to radiant, youthful skin is not in a bottle, it's on your plate. Embark on a culinary journey with us as we unveil the top 10 foods that are not just tantalizing to your taste buds, but are powerful allies in your quest for luminous skin. From antioxidant-rich fruits to essential fatty acids-packed seeds, these superfoods work from the inside out to rejuvenate your skin, making it look and feel younger. Ready to transform your diet and your skin? Let's dive into the delicious world of foods that promise to give your skincare routine a natural, nourishing boost. Fuel your radiance from within. A mindful diet is your skin's best ally, turning every meal into a step towards a glowing, vibrant complexion that exudes health from every pore. Indulging in junk food, sugars, and unhealthy fats can accelerate the aging process, as these foods unleash free radicals that attack skin cells, diminishing your skin's natural elasticity and glow, and paving the way for premature wrinkles and dullness. Steer your diet towards vitality and youthfulness. Explore the top foods that are your skin's best friends, promising to infuse your complexion with a healthy, irresistible glow. Here's a list of the top 10 foods known for their skin-enhancing benefits. Berries. Rich in antioxidants, berries like blueberries and strawberries help fight free radicals and support skin rejuvenation. Spinach. Loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, plus iron and antioxidants, spinach helps combat aging and promotes skin health. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which are essential for skin hydration and protection. Avocados. High in healthy fats and vitamins E and C, avocados support skin elasticity and general skin health. Sweet potatoes. A fantastic source of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, sweet potatoes help maintain skin integrity and appearance. Bell peppers. Especially rich in vitamin C, bell peppers help support collagen production, crucial for skin elasticity and firmness. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, an antioxidant that protects the skin from damage and improves skin texture. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and herring are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and keep the skin moisturized. Green tea. Its high antioxidant content helps reduce redness and inflammation, and it may protect against UV damage. Dark chocolate. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants that can protect the skin against oxidative stress, which can lead to premature skin aging. Incorporating these foods into your diet can contribute significantly to the health and appearance of your skin, giving it a more radiant and youthful glow. And there you have it, the top 10 superfoods to help you achieve that vibrant, youthful glow you've always dreamed of. Remember, the secret to radiant skin isn't just about what you put on it, but also about nourishing it from the inside out. So why not give these skin-loving foods a try and see the difference for yourself? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to look and feel your absolute best. Until next time, keep shining, stay healthy, and embrace the glow.